everyone! Welcome back to AI Motion Studio. In today's tutorial, we're diving into image outpainting using the FLUX Tools FillDev model that was recently released by Black Forest Labs. This model allows you to extend images beyond their original aspect ratio. For example, extending an image from portrait to landscapes. This is a complete step-by-step guide on using our FLUX Dev GGUF Outpainting workflow locally in ComfyUI to achieve image perfect inference for anyone working with AI art who needs reliable image extension without losing image resolution and integrity. Let's get started. First things first, we've made this workflow available for download on Civit AI. To get it, visit civit.ai and search for AI Motion Studio, where you'll find our newly released FLUX Tools Outpainting workflow, FFT GGUF, and Florence 2 workflow. Download it to use FLUX image outpainting on ComfyUI. Before starting with image generation, please ensure that you have downloaded and placed the GGUF quantized FLUX FillDev model in their correct folders. We have added the download link into this workflow. Just go to the link and download the file and save it in the models folder, specifically in the Unet subfolder. Once the file is in place, refresh ComfyUI and load the model using the GGUF Unet Loader. Now to adjust the image alignment, use the X and Y percentage controls. Set both X and Y to 50% to center the image. Adjust the X percentage to move the image horizontally, left to right. Adjust the Y percentage to move the image vertically, up and down. Leave all other settings as default. For example, we've taken a previously generated portrait image from Midjourney, and as you can see, the result is an image that retains all the attributes of the original portrait image, but now features a remarkable extension of the car and the background, which also included a new subject. And as you can see, notably, the new subject is wearing the same outfit as the original. Now, let's delve into image generation with FLUX image outpainting. In this workflow, we begin by uploading the image we want to extend its aspect ratio and click Q prompt arrow. As you can see, the result features a beautifully extended indoor pool with the serene blue sky blending seamlessly into the composition. Next, let's upload another image and click Q prompt to proceed. Once again, we have an excellent result. The background office space blends nicely with the original portrait image, maintaining a cohesive and natural look. Now, let's upload an image of a living space, a portrait of a bedroom, and see how well it handles architectural images. I'll go ahead and click Q prompt to proceed. Well done! You can see that it successfully filled the remaining bedroom areas. Here we have the TV space, and over here appears to be a closet area. Next, I'll upload a portrait image of a skyscraper city view. Let's see if it can extend the scene by adding more skyscrapers to the cityscape. And yes, it succeeded. Although the image resolution wasn't optimal, I should be able to upscale the result later. Next, let's try an image of a woman in a coffee shop. I'll upload the image and click Q prompt to proceed. this result isn't quite as good. If you encounter similar outcomes, simply give it a few reruns to refine the output. Finally, let's upload a close-up shot and see how well it handles that. Nice. The background looks so natural that you'd never guess it wasn't part of the original image. If you encounter any issues with the workflow or if any nodes are not working, go to the ComfyUI Manager, click Install Missing Custom Nodes, and then Update All before restarting ComfyUI. This should resolve any node problems. And there you have it, our complete tutorial on FLUX image outpainting. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.